Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Peace be upon you all. My own this day we be in good health and spirit. Professionally, I would like to thank the committee for being given the opportunity and facilitation in this activity. My name is Muhammad Nur. I am a student of the doctoral study program in Social Science University Airlangga Surabaya. On this occasion, let I present my article entitled Relation between Indigenous Institution and Government as well as Corporation in Promoting Local Wisdom. Study of the existence of culture values of the Dayak Manyan fail in the age of modernization. Introduction. This article identifies the relationship between customary institution and the government and corporation in preserving and promoting the local wisdom of the Dayak Manyan, tribe indigenous culture in Warukin village, so that it is mentioned despite the accompanying progress of the time. The purpose of writing this article is to provide it so that the relationship between customary institution and government and corporation is harmoniously established in an effort to preserve and maintain the values of local culture wisdom of the Dayak Manyan tribe in Warukin village. This article is expected to support the existence of the traditional culture values of the Dayak Manyan in Warukin village by constructing a model of relation between customary institution and the government and corporation in maintaining the custom of tradition that exists in the culture of the Dayak Manyan tribe in Warukin village so that it is not lost to the time. Piece of the erosion of the Dayak Manyan culture custom in Warukin village, especially among the younger generation, are still a threat. So that many forms of culture activity and local wisdom spread and were outdated by the time. The actualization of the values of local wisdom that exists in the culture of the Dayak Manyan tribe something important to do is a strategic step to strengthen culture identity in local wisdom, especially in Kalimantan and according to research need to be preserved so that its values remain alive in today's modern era. The rapid development of global technology has a significant impact on the tendency to ignore the elimination of local wisdom values due to the shift in values in today's society. So it is considered important to raise this discussion, especially in promoting local wisdom in the Dayak Manyan tribe in Warukin village. Based on the problem written in this article, the importance of the relationship between customary institution and government and corporation is harmoniously established in effort to preserve, maintain, and promote the values of local culture, wisdom of the Dayak Manyan tribe and in Warukin village, so that it can be known more widely and mentioned. Methodology. The methodology used in this study is qualitative methodology with a form of phenomenological study research, analysis, and discussion. The role of government, the local government of Tabalong Regency is the main actor in creating a relation with the Dayak Manyan tribal community in terms of promoting the culture in their area. So far, the regional government of Tabalong Regency in promoting the local wisdom of Dayak Manyan thrive in Warukin Village by holding culture festival held in Warukin Village and Tanjung Expo. In promoting the local wisdom of the Dayak Manyan tribe in Warukin Village it is led sectoral by the tourism office, the education culture office, the communication and informatics service. Corporate rule. PT Adara Indonesia through the Adara Bangun Negeri Foundation is one of the actor who is non-governmental actor who work together in promoting the local wisdom of Dayak Manyan tribe in Warukin Village. In an activity that is fully supported by PT Adara Indonesia through the community relation development, where the private sector prefers an online gallery as a transaction forum as an alternative to encourage Warukin product to be more widely known. Through PT Adara Indonesia, local wisdom of the Dayak Manyan tribe is improving. The role of indigenous institution. The Dayak Manyan traditional institution in Warukin Village is a Songin Sek for civil and culture affairs in terms of promotion with the government and company parties. The activities carried out are various kinds of traditional dance and music performance that aim to arouse the interest of the younger generation in culture with the content of local wisdom. The meaning of indigenous culture of the Dayak Manyan thrive in Pancasila values. Pancasila is the basis of national the state life which is upheld by the Dayak Manyan tribe community in Warukin Village. This can be seen in the philosophical of the Dayak Manyan festival in Warukin Village, namely Adil Katalino, Bacuramin Kasurga, Basengat Kajubata, which mean to be fair to human, reflecting on heaven and breathing to good, where this is line with the meaning of Pancasila, such as the value of the Almighty Godhead, the value of a just and civilized humanity, the value of the unity of Indonesia, the value of a fair led by wisdom in consultancy, representation, and the value of social justice for all Indonesia. Thank you.